enter. So I'm setting the name here, formatting tags. Formatting tags, and here I'm taking what is the p tag here. Can anyone? So here the p tag means it defines the it defines the paragraph, right? So what's the paragraph you are choosing? It should be in a p tag only. So that's what I'm using here, the p tag. And after that we have the b tag. What is the b tag here? The b tag means it shows the text will be the some thickness. So here we have the alternate tag for b tag also. So it makes text bold. Okay, so for b tag it will be used. And for I tag means the text will be the slightly curve. Okay, so it makes the text italic. Okay, next u. What is u tag? U tag means it will be the underline tag. In the round of the text the underline happens. Okay, so underline tag, or else underline the text. Okay, and after that what we have, emphasized tag. Here emphasized tag means it is alternate tag for italic tag. Okay, so that will be the I tag. Here emphasized text usually display in italic. Usually displayed in italics. And after that mark. What mark means? The text will be the highlighted. Okay, so here highlighted highlights text. Okay, next what we have, small tag. So here I'll show you one thing. Here b tag I'm applying. So this is here I am using small tag. Okay, small tag I will apply here. Okay, so this will be the very small text will be appears. Okay, and after that next we will use mark tag. What is mark tag? Here the mark tag also already we have completed, right? So next what we have, sub means here the chemical formula it will apply. Okay, so here I will apply, see here how the subscript, we will call it as subscript. Okay, so I am going to take one p tag here. So here I will use h sub, here 2 and here O. So it will be applied and it is using for chemical formula. Okay, next we have the superscript. So it will be used as mathematical induction tag. Okay, so here I will use sup means superscript. So this will be used as what? This will be used as subscript. So it will used as mathematical induction formulas. Okay, so after that we have the delete tag. So some strike out it will be represents. Okay, this is a means delete tag. So delete text, the text will be strike out. So after that we have inserted tag. Inserted tag, it is nothing but underline tag. It is also alternate tag for underline. Okay, this is a inserted tag. Inserted text. So after that we have address tag. So this will be the pre means this text is preformatted. Next what we have, abb, abbreviation tag. Okay, so down of the text it will be presents the dotted, so this will call it as abbreviation tag using abbr. Okay, here I am setting one title attribute, and for title attribute I am giving one value here, so that will be HTML. Okay, so here hyper text markup language, hypertext markup language. So abbreviations. So this is the abbreviation tag as well. Okay, so these all are about text formatting tags and formatting tags.